and Mexico. 10 people died, after the private jet they were traveling in from Acapulco crashed on its way to the international airport of Toluca. The impact occurred in an industrial area of San Pedro Totoltepec, specifically in an empty warehouse, which prevented even more casualties on the ground. The accident caused a massive fire, to which emergency teams responded immediately, managing to contain it hours later. Authorities have already begun an investigation to determine the cause of the catastrophe.
Autorizas aterrizaje Papa Romeo Oscar. Queda al aire el Papa Romeo Oscar. Recibido Papa Romeo Oscar, ¿me confirma intenciones? Estamos desplomando Papa Romeo Oscar.